Hey folks, old man here. A couple of months ago, the nice folks over at Auxito.com sent me a couple of their 7-inch off-road driving lights. Asked me if I'd try them out and let them know what I think about them. I did a little write-up of the install for those lights over on the Old Man Facebook group page. I'll try to think to put a link to that in the description of this video if you'd like to see that. This video is more just a review of the lights now that I've had them on the truck for a little while. First thing I noticed when I took the lights out of the box is they were pretty hefty. Felt like they were really well made. Had a little weight to them. Looked really nice. Seemed to be a very good product. So here are the lights mounted on the truck. I got them on some temporary mounts right now. I intend to have Jacob over at JC Customs to build me some more permanent mounts. But I went ahead and fashioned some temporary ones just so I could get them on here. And one of the cool features that I really liked about these lights is they have the built-in amber lights on there, so you can wire those up as some daytime driving lights if you want to. I actually have mine on a switch, so I can turn the amber lights on separate of the white lights. They come with a like a three-way switch, so you can turn them to amber or turn them to white. I wired mine up just a little bit different from that. Turned out really good. I like having the amber driving lights like this. So as you can see here, even in fairly good daylight, these are some pretty bright lights. You can actually feel some heat coming off of them. So there you have the lights. You can see them in the daytime. I showed you how bright they were. We'll wait a little while when it gets dark and we'll come back out and do a little driving in the woods with them and see how good they work in the dark. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, let's check out. This is with just the Auxito 7-inch round lights on. You can see a pretty good pattern there. I've got the camera off to the side here, so you don't see it exactly the way I do, but lights it up pretty good. Good bright light, very white. And here you see it with just the TEQ Customs headlights on. I really dig that cutoff line that they have. Looks really cool. And then if you add the Auxito lights to that, it's a pretty good little show. That's going to wrap it up for this one. All in all, I really like these Auxito brand lights. Like I said, they seem to be very well made. They give out a good bit of light. Had them on the truck for a couple of months. The truck never goes indoors. It's not a garage kept vehicle. It sits outside 24/7. And so far no moisture has got into the lights. I know that's a problem with some, even the big name brands. I've seen that happen. So it seems to be very good craftsmanship with these lights. And I'd like to say thank you to Auxito for sending me the lights, and also a shout out to my buddy Ben over at the Semper Gumby channel. If you don't subscribe to his channel, go give him a try. He does a lot of reviews and some camping videos, and he's just all around nice guy. You'll like being a lot. All right, so we'll see you on the next one. Old man out.